Hello my dear students, welcome to the video class of EVS. Hope you all are fine and have completed your study materials and assignment till chapter 4 of EVS. Students, if you have not completed your work, then please complete it. Okay children? Children, today I have come up with the 5th video class of EVS. So please sit with your EVS textbook and open chapter 5. Our today's topic is Mind Needs Shelter. In this chapter, we will study about the following points. Number 1, houses. Number 2, reasons for diversity of houses. Number 3, different kinds of houses. Number 4, a good house. Number 5, how to keep your home clean. Number 6, decorating our home. Number 7, need for light and ventilation. Students, I have divided this 5th video into 2 parts. So today, in this video, we will study the first 3 points of the chapter 5. They are number 1, houses. Number 2, reasons for diversity of houses. And number 3, different kind of houses. So let's start. Mind needs shelter. Page number 29. Shelter means houses. Children, in this chapter we are going to study about houses, one of the basic need of our life. Houses. We all live in a house. It protects us from rain, storm, insects, animals, heat, cold and robbers. Storm means strong wind. Robbers means thief. So what is a house? House is a place where we live and it protects us from rain, storm, insects, animals, heat, cold and robbers. It provides us with comfortable living. Children, there are 2 types of houses. Number 1, Pakka house. Number 2, Kacha house. So, let us read what is a Pakka house. A Pakka house is a strong house that does not get damaged easily and is made of bricks, steel, iron and cement. This type of houses are found in towns and cities and are example of Pakka house. Look at the picture children. This is a kind of Pakka house because it is made of bricks, steel, iron and cement. Next, let us read what is a Kacha house. A Kacha house is made of mud, straw and wood. It has a thatched roof. Thatched roof means the roof of the house is made of some plant material such as straw. So what is straw? Straw means dried grasses. It is a weak shelter and get damaged in a storm or heavy rainfall. Huts are commonly found in villages and are example of Kacha house. Look at the picture children. It is a kind of Kacha house, that is hut, because it is made of mud, straw and wood. Now let us turn the page. Next, we are going to read reasons for diversity of houses. Depending on the following factors, houses can be of different types. Children, here diversity means different types of houses. So now let us see what are the factors responsible for different types of houses. Number 1. The different material available that can be used. Depending on the place, different type of material are available. So this is the first factor responsible for the diversity of house. Number 2. The climate of a place. Climate means weather condition. Weather condition is also responsible for different types of houses. Number 3. The kind of area or landform such as high hills, plain land, sandy desert, or land near the sea or river. Depending on the type of area such as hilly areas, plain land areas, desert areas, or land near the sea or river, all affect in the diversity of houses. Next, point number 4. The money that can be spent on building the house. Depending on the amount of money spent on building a house are also responsible for diversity of houses. Next, whether the house is needed for a long or a short time. Some people move from one place to another, so they don't use the house for long time. So such kind of people means people who move from place to place. For them, the houses are different. Children, these all are the points which are responsible for diversity of houses. Next, early humans roamed the land to find food. Earlier, people moved from place to place in search of food. They did not have any permanent home. They move from place to place so they don't build a house. They live either on the trees or in a cave. As time passed, slowly humans learned to cultivate food crops and to domesticate animals, due to which permanent shelters became more common. As people started to cultivate crops and domesticate animals, they built houses to live. This way they built their permanent shelters. The shelters that they built depend on the materials that were available and the climate of the place where they lived. So children, now let us see. Today humans live in many different kinds of houses. Now we are going to read different kinds of houses. Number 1. Bungalow. A bungalow is a very big house as it has many rooms. Most bungalows have gardens in the front or on the rooftop. Rooftop means terrace of the house. Look at the picture, children. This is a picture of a bungalow. It is a bungalow. Next, number 2. Flats and apartments. Many people live in towns or in cities. There is a lack of space. There is no space, children, and so houses are built one on top of the other. Such houses are known as flats or apartment. Look at the picture. It is a flat or you can call apartment. Many people live in such apartments. Most apartments have elevators to carry people from one floor to another. What is elevators? Means lift. They are also called multi-story buildings. Come to the yellow box, children. Very tall buildings with many floors or stories are known as skyscrapers, as they seem to be touching the sky. Due to many floors or stories, the buildings are very tall and it looks as if it is touching the sky. So, such buildings are known as skyscrapers. Come to the next page, children. Number 3, stilt houses. Stilt houses are found in areas where it rains a lot. Means it rains heavily and every time. Such houses are mostly found in Assam. These houses are built on long bamboo poles called stilt. So what is stilt? Long bamboo poles. So rainwater cannot enter the houses. This type of houses have sloping roof. Why? Because the rainwater fall down or slide down easily. This type of houses have sloping roof so that the rainwater slide down easily. Look at the picture, children. This is a kind of stilt house. Next, houseboats. These are houses built on boats. We can find houseboats in places where there are many lakes and rivers. In India, beautiful houseboats can be found in Kashmir and Kerala. Look at the picture, children. This is a picture of a houseboat. Next, igloos. Eskimos live in igloos. These houses are made of snow blocks. They are found in very cold part of the world. These places are snow covered throughout the year and the snow never melts. So people use this snow to make the house, which is known as igloos. And who live in this? Eskimos. The dome shape helps to keep them warm inside. Dome shape means rounded. Look at the picture, children. See the shape of the igloo. It is round, curving type. Due to this, inside it is warm and the people of those area feel warm inside this igloos. Next, tents. People who wander means move from place to place, live in movable houses known as tents. Tents are made of a strong cloth called canvas. These houses can be set up quickly, means it can be removed, folded and carried from one place to another. Look at the picture, children. This is a picture of a tent. Okay. Now point number 7. Caravan. Caravans are houses on wheels. Wheels means this is a house which is made on a van. Okay. So it is said caravans are houses on wheels. They can be driven from one place to another. People who do not live in one place but move from one place to another are called nomads. So who are nomads? People who do not live in one place but move from one place to another. Such people are called nomads. They live in tents and caravans. Gypsies and Banjaras live in caravans. Look at the picture, children. It is a van on wheel. so it is known as caravans. So children, this is the first part of the fifth video of chapter 5, My Needs Shelter. I hope this video is clear to you all. We will see you again in the next video with the second part of the fifth video. Thank you.